Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Joyful Jessie. If you are new here, I am Jessie. And this week we are working on our spring cleaning, decluttering, and cleaning challenge for this week. Now today, I am going to be working on my living room and in my mudroom. And my living room just looks like a tornado just walked through it. And if you have a toddler or a preschooler at home, you know what I'm talking about. It doesn't matter how much you clean and put things away, a minute later, there's toys everywhere and it looks like just an explosion. So today I definitely wanna go into some areas, clean it up, clear it out, and just make it feel and look airy. Now our mudroom is pretty plain and simple to do because I decluttered it a while ago, so it's just putting things back in its place and putting boots away. Boots take so much space in that room and cause so much clutter. But I hope that through this video you gain a lot of motivation and you feel like cleaning something or clearing something out. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you never miss out when I post a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. This is kind of embarrassing, but this is what my living room is looking like right now. And a lot of this is all my daughter. Like, she brings down toys and leaves them there. She leaves her stuffies there. She plays dress up. And we were doing her hair real quick on our way to church yesterday, so that stayed down here. But this is kind of like the spot where everything goes. So I'm definitely gonna clear out this space. I also, in this coffee table, I always like to have coffee tables that have storage. So this is my second coffee table that I've had. And the problem with that is that then you have a place to hide stuff and it just continues getting cluttered. So today I'm definitely gonna go through and I'm gonna declutter this hot mess. And I'm gonna be cleaning around here. We have a little project that I will be sharing with you guys soon, a little family project that we are working on. It does not include fish, okay? It does not include fish. But anyways, we're gonna clean up the space, just make it be awesome. Our decluttering of our living room actually didn't take very long. This is what it ended up looking like. I definitely went into the coffee table, took everything out, threw away what I didn't need, and I actually left in there just an extension cord we use quite a lot, and Noah's cursive curriculum that we actually use to teach him cursive, a couple books, and just some of the games that we play often. And then we ended up moving the little terrarium that eventually will become a biome, but that's what we're hoping, over to the corner so it's out of the way. Then after we were done with that, it was time to move on into our mudroom. All of that hard work decluttering, our family went on a little trip down to our local zoo, and we have a nice small zoo. I like it because you can make it through there in a very small amount of time and you don't end up exhausted. Now, a lot of the animals were sleeping and the zoo is undergoing some renovations, but we still had an awesome time. So after the zoo, we were headed out to Ritas for the first time this season for some Italian ice and custard. And the coolest thing happened, and it was that this family approached me and they recognized me from one of my YouTube videos, and it was my beach glass collecting one at Presque Isle. And they were just letting me know that they've seen my video. They were in town from New Jersey, and they were gonna be doing some beach glass collecting. Shout out to Debbie and Steve, who were the viewers that I got to meet. It was an absolute pleasure getting to know you, and it was truly an encouraging and exciting experience for me. So if any of you ever run into me out there, you know, don't be afraid to say hi. I'll say hi back, and it's just exciting to see the people that are viewing my videos. And, you know, I must also mention that I've also done the same thing to other people. When we went to Legoland, I did the exact same thing to a guy whose video I had seen, and I just wanted to personally thank him for doing such a great video that was so helpful to me. So May and I are sharing. We got the strawberry chocolate covered strawberry and mango with a twist. And Noah got the Sour Patch Kids and blueberry, just ice. No blueberry. I got the gelati, he got just the ice. And Sean got the, what is it, black raspberry custard?
That one was a chocolate beaters, I'm sorry. I'm ugly with it.
I don't think you're ugly, maybe. I'm quite attractive, young man. After that awesome ice cream treat at Rita's and our small trip to the zoo, it was time to come back and swap out our winter decor for some more springy one. Ta-da! I'm swapping it for a tacky camper. We actually have a camper, guys. We do. We have a camper, and we're so excited to finally use it this year for the first time ever. We got it last year, and we've been doing some, you know, a little bit of renovation. It's not major renovation, just like a little bit of updating. And we are so excited. So I saw this and I thought, oh my goodness, this is so cute. I definitely want to use this today. So I'm swapping my truck for the camper. Our camper does not look like that, but still. So excited about our camper. I have actually been, along with Sean, recording some of the stuff that we've been doing. So pretty soon you guys are going to be seeing some videos of us like putting our camper together. I'm definitely going to share with you guys the first time that we go camping, because we've never been camping on a camper before. So we're really, really excited about that for our family. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye!